Hello everyone, Sai Ram. So children, today we will learn the new chapter, that is chapter number 2. What are things made of? So let's start the chapter. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain that the things around us are made up of different materials. And you will be able to state where we obtain this material from. And you will be able to describe the properties and uses of these materials. So let's start the chapter. Yes, these are the things that we use in our daily life, like chair, rubber, woolen clothes, then leather, cotton clothes, right? There are a number of things that we use in our life, and they are of different kind. Some things are hard, some things are soft, some things are rough, and some things can be stretched, right? They are of different material and they are of different nature. All these things are generally made of wood, metal, rubber, then plastic, then glass and paper, right? So, some things or some materials we obtain from plants and some materials we obtain from animals. Okay? As I told you, some materials we obtain from plants and animals, and some materials we dug out from the earth. Okay? From plants we get wood, bamboo, pine, rubber, then jute, and from animals we get wool and leather, right? These we had already discussed in the part 1. So today we will learn or we will discuss about the material which we obtain from the earth. Have a look at this picture. This is the picture of a sand. Sand we get from the earth. You are very familiar with the sand. If you want to see the sand, you can go to the beach. Sand is found on the beaches. And sand is very important. Sand is used in building of our houses. Sand is also can be used in making glass. Yes, glass which we use to make our crockery like glass, mugs, plates, right? We use glass as a mirror in which we can see our self, right? We use glass in making spectacles or glasses. Glass is also used in making of an electric bulb and lights, right? This glass we make from the sand. Now you understood how sand is important for us, and that sand we get from the earth. Okay? You can see in the picture we can make glass, then electric bulbs and lights, then spectacles and mirror from the sand. Now have a look at the next picture. Materials obtained from the earth, and the next material is what? Clay. Clay is also obtained from the earth. You must be playing with the clay. Yes? at the time of Ganpati, you make a Ganesh idol with the help of the clay, right? So this clay we get from the earth. It is not only used to make toys or Ganpati, it is also used to make pots. You can see in the picture the potter is making pots with the clay. You can also make bricks out of the clay. Then, you know what are the bricks? Yes, the bricks are used in constructions, right? Then we can also make tiles out of the clay. These tiles are also used in construction. So now you understood how clay is important for us. It gives us many important things that are used in our daily life. Now another important thing which we obtain from the earth is what? Metal. There are different metals that we get from the earth. Metals are strong, shiny, and they have the smooth surface. Different metals that we get from the earth, that are aluminium, then iron, then gold, copper and silver. These are all the different metals that we get from the earth. Now the first is aluminium. It is like silver in color. If you have seen, the body of plane is made up from the aluminium. We can also make vessels from the aluminium. Very familiar is our aluminium foil. This foil is used to pack our lunch or food. Apart from that, we can also make wires, then frames of the windows from the aluminium. Another important metal that we get from the earth, that is iron. It is used in big machinery. The machines which run in the factories. The heavy bodies of the big vehicles like truck, tankers, trains are made from the iron. Then another important metal is steel. The steel vessels that we use at our home, then small tools are made up of the iron, like nuts, bolts and hammer, like nut bolts and hammer. Then another valuable metal that we get is the copper. It is reddish brown in color. And the copper is also used in making vessels. It is also used in making electric wires. Next, another valuable metal is gold and silver. Now you tell me how it is important. Yes, you can make jewelry and coins out of the gold and silver. We can also use silver to make vessels. This is how all the metals are important, and they are all obtained from the earth. Now, another important thing that we get from the earth is what? Petroleum. Means it is petroleum means what? Petroleum is a dark brown dark color, thick liquid that we get from the deep inside the earth, from deep inside the sea. Okay, we get petrol and diesel out of the petroleum. All the vehicles which we see on the roads are running with the help of petrol and diesel. So it is very important for us. We also get kerosene, then wax. Do you know candle? That wax is made of the petroleum. Then Vaseline. In winter we use the Vaseline. Then kerosene. Kerosene is also one type of fuel that is used to cook the food. One more important product that we get from the petroleum is what? Is the plastic. Many things which are made from the plastic that we use in our daily life, that we will discuss in our next class. Okay, so we get petroleum from deep inside the earth. We get petrol and diesel which are used to run vehicles from the petroleum. We also get kerosene, wax, Vaseline and other things from the petroleum. Okay, now some common things around you are given in the table below. Which of the following things we get from the plants? We have to put a tick in front of them. So first thing is plastic, pencil. So pencil is made up of wood. So we get it from the wood, we get from the plants. So we will put a tick in front of the pencil. Now second one is coconut. Yes, coconut we also get from the plant. So I am putting a tick in front of the coconut. Then mustard seed. Mustard seeds also we get from the plant. So I am putting a tick on the mustard seeds. Then sharpener. Sharpener is made from the plastic and metal. So we will not put a tick in front of the sharpener. Then umbrella. Umbrella is also made from the metal and plastic. So we will not put a tick in front of the umbrella. Now pen. Yes, pen we also make from the plastic. So I am not going to put a tick in front of the pen. Then jute bag. Yes, so jute we get from the plant. So I am putting a tick in front of the jute bag. Then newspaper. Newspaper we also get it from the plant. Means we make paper from the plants. So I am putting a tick in front of the newspaper. Then doll. Doll is made up of plastic. So I am not going to put a tick in front of the doll. Then candle. Candle we make from the wax. So I am not going to put tick in front of the candle. Okay. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you.